that was ultimately frustrating. I did find the kind of cable I need, but I know I got bunches of them. But here it is again. Can I find them? No, not really. Very frustrating. Anyway, and all it is an RCA to RCA cable. Alright. So I'm going to put this other Amiga foot into the little box with good chips. And I'm going to plug this into the 1701. It's over here. And I'm going to turn it on. Alright. Now, let's see. What else there is to be done here? I'm not sure I need to do any close-ups at this moment, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. Let's zoom out a bit. Or zoom. Yes. Let's just look down upon the board. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, so another little clip here. Alright, so we are at the point where we're going to give this a try, because that's all there is to do. Give it a try. And the two connectors I need to be worried about in reconnecting are this one and this one. That's where all the power goes, and this goes to the floppy drive controller, and there's a ribbon cable that goes in there. So basically, I need to take the rail, put it back in, probably secure it with one screw, and plug it all in. I need to take this out. This. Oops. Yes, there is the demon battery. I will take it away. I will. It will not be here again. Anyway, so all we can see now is you know, did the damage do damage? That's all there is to it. So stay tuned. Alright. So now we take the rail and with great care we try and get it back into position. Once again, while doing no harm, there are a couple of little, there they are, kind of lips across the back that welcome that in. Let's see now if I can get a screw in. I don't want this to fall by accident and hurt anything. And are we in position to do that? Alright, so the rail is somewhat secure, and then in the front it should also kind of slip in. It doesn't have to. I guess it doesn't have to. Okay. Now, oh, maybe. Oh yeah. Is that really secure back there? I guess it is. Maybe I should have seen about getting this connector back on before I secured that. Yeah, I should. Oh, the memories. It's been a while. Alright. Undo that. Dropping the screw, but not losing it. Turn the machine ever so gently. Put this on its side. And connect the cable that goes to the floppy drive controller on the board. And I did make note. Let me just have a look in there. It is possible, well, not preferable, to miss. Okay, it's on. Right now, this I cannot get on, the power connector, so this is on the board. So I will get that on the board. It is sitting securely. I have not screwed it in, but it is secure. And then I'm going to push the power connector down. Oh dear. It seems that for a while now, maybe this microphone was running out of power. Anyway, it does not seem to be connecting. Oh dear, 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 dear. Let's see here. Oftentimes I find if I little thing out, put it back in. And push the button again. It makes contact. But it is not happening. Oh dear, 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 dear. Alright, try another thing here. Oh, and it just made contact. Just in time for me to take the thing out so that it loses contact. I don't know how long the battery in this thing lasts. I do not. Alright. I'll turn it off. I'll pull this out. I'll turn it on. Readjust. Push the button on the back. Where's the button? It is flashing. It went out. Oh, it's back on. Why? Maybe it's low on power. But it just did connect. Let me give it a little, like I did before. It's not connecting. It's flashing red and green, red and green, red and green. What's funny, just as it connected before, I was just about to take this out. Alright, I'm going to take it out. Oh, sorry about that. I've had luck with this before, where I turn this thing around, and then I push the button. Because there's really not supposed to be one way that it works. But it's not working. Oh, it's connected. Okay, I wonder why. Alright, sorry about all that. Need to double check that. Alright. We are nearing the time that it will be to plug this in. Now over here, I'm sure I have a couple of power cables. They're just a standard thing. It's funny, sometimes I see ads on things where they say, like for a 1541, which is just a regular 1541, missing power cable. Can't test. Well, this is a pretty standard power cable. Alright. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to plug this into the yellow thing, which is mono video. It is this. Does not need to be on. So I guess it's the moment. That I should turn it on. There's nothing else to be done. So I will. Now the other thing, of course, is the hard drive may not spin. There is a thing called stiction, but we'll see about that. So here we go. It's power time. Now the other thing I should do is put this over here to look at the power lights. They are not coming on. Are they fastened to the board? They are. Alright. connector. Recheck. Looks good. Oh, I hear things. Things are happening. Okay, I do indeed see over here a screen that is talking about Amiga DOS, 1987. Workbench release 1.32, version 3. Yeah. Well, we're up off the hard drive. And we do not have any extra RAM on this machine, which is what I expected. Well, but it's up. Now, I do not have a mouse handy, I do not have a keyboard handy. So, it does seem that the battery damage was not fatal to this Amiga 2000. So this has a quantum drive. I always like them. Looks like a 40